Modest top tip here. What you want to do if you're doing a restoration is scan the patient before you anesthetize with them sitting up in the chair. Then go ahead and do your preparation. And then what you're going to do is merge that to the original jaw scan of the preoperative condition. And you can do this in various different softwares, sometimes automatically, sometimes you have to manually pin them like I am here. But the accuracy of this merge is not important because we're going to redo this in exocad. So there you have it. So what we're going to do now is in exocad, we're going to actually go into expert mode. So we're going to click that expert button. And after we do that, we're going to go to tools. And then we're going to go down to add remove mesh down there. And then from here now, we're going to go to extra jaw scan. And we're going to load that and find the preparation scan. So there it is. And you're going to hit yes. The mesh is stored relative to the data. And click OK. Now you're going to go back into the wizard mode by clicking the wizard button. And the software is going to take you through this module where you automatically hold the control button down and select common points between the two scans. And what you want to look for is everything green and hit replace the whole scan data. And now it's off to design like you normally would. But the difference is that you were able to take the preoperative bite before anesthetization.